Today is Sunday, so we are at church from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Today was the first Sunday of the month, so it was time for communion, the breaking of the bread and drinking of the wine to remember Jesus' sacrifice. Straight after communion, I had to leave church early to catch my shift for work. Arrived to work on time for my 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. shift. Church actually finished at 12, but I had to sacrifice that half hour to get to work. After work, I drove home to get ready for the evening service from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Then it was time to call it a day.